Just start recording, Turk.
Oh, I'll stop singing. Sorry.
Alright, so
You good?
we got a $1,500 door here. These boots are $1,250.
Come on, man. They shooting him.
True. So we got 1250, a 1500, and a 1250. And we got ammo here, 30 bucks.
I am on the roll.
Where do you want to go first when we get them on?
Oh no.
Oh, dude, these are soul collectors.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
So we gotta
It is.
collect the axes.
Oh, I'm almost dead.
Should probably do it while the lower round. It'll make our lives easier. So, I guess we're rat-sized in this map. Fine rooms and baths.
Nah, bro, we're ant-sized. Come on now. Get it right.
Black Ops maps are something special.
Eat your KFC, my guy.
I am eating my KFC.
Okay, good.
Thankfully paid by Disney. Unlike some other person in this call.
How is this thing still up there? What is that? Trip mines.
You know, Turkey.
What way do you want to go?
It's because I can't afford $20 right now.
Good dino. Jugs this way.
It was a joke, Dino. Calm down.
Sure
There's also
it was.
another thing here. According to the
Yeah.
description, there is a viable ending in this.
There is. I don't know how much it is though.
So we gotta find that out.
How many maps are you guys doing?
Like 17.
We just have a bunch downloaded now. Not sure how many we're gonna
We
do
should really download
And the next combat
Oh,
may
we can
soon
do
be
that
my
later.
only option.
Knife for money and secure. Yes,
It's
sir.
not insta-kill anymore.
So, what are you trying to get to? Trying to get
There's
it.
a bloodhound for 50
Destruction
bucks.
of broken capitalist society, simpler than
trying to look for
explaining
a-
money-hungry wall.
What is this?
Dog, no
Why
power
not play
required.
dead
Is
this
that a
time,
cow?
devil
It's
dogs?
a cow.
Let's go.
Nikolai does not like dogs of fire.
Dude, this bloodhound is not that good against dogs. It takes 4 shots to kill them.
Bro, it was terrible in
Above your hellish bar.
regular BO3 zombies. It's gonna be terrible now.
Oh, by the way, dogs do count towards the box.
I'm currently having to knife these guys.
I said you could buy the bloodhound.
Yeah, no, I'm not buying the bloodhound.
Well, I just opened this way for Jug. I didn't think there'd be a good weapon on this side.
There's a Elcar over here.
What'd you do, buy the 1,500 door?
Yeah. Oh, I'm so used to Cold War, it doesn't like... It doesn't... You have to actually reload. It won't like fully get your mag out.
Yeah, I know it won't.
I should find Hellpig to test out new weapon.
Gotta try to fill these boxes early, because we don't know what they're gonna give.
I got meal kick from that. What did
Oh,
you get?
yeah, I got speed cola.
Lucky? Damn.
There's a 2,000 door here, though.
Bro, why is it so bright on this map?
I have no idea. I think
Right.
it's because we're outside. That's a 1750 door.
There's a zombie counter.
Most of these there are. Here we got something else. Double point.
Though I only hold contempt for capitalism, this is well time for political debate. Be patient, hell pigs. Nikolai needs more ammo.
Another thing over here, and what gun is
And
it?
up around.
RK5.
Give capitalist weapon to socialist, and he will distribute
Yeah, K5's
bullets
over there.
evenly amongst his enemies.
Wait, where's power? Oh, wait, where is there no power on?
We don't need power. We could use that
I do
dubs.
not like this feeling of being surrounded.
There's a vulture raid over there.
Dubs? I got stamina up over
Why did no one
here.
tell Nikolai he was so popular with hell pigs?
I'm buying all these doors since I have like... Wait, is there shootables on here? Or no? Okay, where's the
Probably.
box? Wait, there is a box.
Now this is weapon for Nikolai.
One issue with just a pistol only challenge, they gave us a death machine.
It's really...
Yeah. I got a rocket shield.
Buildable or what?
Came out of one of the drops. Oh yeah, here's double tap. For the root beer scout.
Oh yeah, I
Thirsty
forgot
partner. This looks like it's viable. Yeah, it's viable for 2,500.
Got you, coach. Widows.
here I
TAC
see
45.
I didn't miss one of these over here, did I?
Isn't the TAC 45 good?
Did.
I have no
Depends.
idea.
It's just, yeah, it's a good, like, it's a single shot, just remember that, not a burst or automatic.
Oh
or
yeah, that's right, I
anything.
have meal kick. Nah, it's an ass pistol.
What pistol?
Now I have
Oh,
reason
TAC.
to be angry.
TAC 45.
It's terrible.
I have a nuke here if you want it. Actually, I'm gonna have to get it.
Yes,
What
please,
is plan
because
B
they'll
if I
finish.
empty my
Like, I
weapon?
have all these zombies around, thing.
Do you want it or no?
Yes.
We can
Oh,
take
yeah.
moment to consider our next move.
It's done.
Yeah, I got like 3 more to fill.
Time for
Pop
dogs to
vulture
play.
raid.
Fetch
I found speed cola for you.
Found pack.
Got a little bit of a frame drop on this side over here. Once I leave that, I'm fine.
You need training.
Oh. Oh.
Did you get down on a dog ground?
Yeah, 3 of them spawned all the way around me and pinned me in a corner.
Wow.
one dog
Actually, I
left.
know what to do. I'm gonna try to wait until I get close to you,
Help!
so that he doesn't drop the max. I just realized I'm gonna have to get ammo.
I lost all
Both
my
of these.
perks. That's sad.
And no more will rise to take your place.
But you get the max ammo too.
Stay back, undertakes! Hello, hell pigs! Nikolai is ready now.
Like, I
Who's
really need
who?
a pack. I'm gonna hit the gobbly wobbly mission. Oh, Dr. Fizz.
Oh yay! It's the green trails are broken on this map, so if I end up going down at all, I'm not gonna get vultured again. Because the green trails kind of make it hard to see. They're just a box. They're not actually the right trail. Hey, look, it got a little bit better on the brightness, if you noticed.
Oh my god. The Elcar isn't killing them anymore.
Yeah, 'cause you don't have double tap.
An angry
I never had double
Russian
tap
is
to begin
happy
with.
Oh. Well, shit, I just grabbed another perk. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I need to get stamina up too, because I cannot run fast on this map. I got quick revive though.
Yeah, please don't do that. It sounded weird.
What sounded weird?
You going, mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
I was-
1911.
Dude, there's so many fillables on this map.
There is, and like, no good pistols.
Fine. This is little
The
more than
Elcar's the only good
extortion.
one.
I didn't even look at how much I had there after I bought that. I mean, the RK5's killing them pretty quick.
Nikolai will fight like bear if he hears click click.
Oh, I totally forgot we have grenades.
After you make crawlers and fuck us over.
There, okay, let's move over here. This war machine, this or death machine, just saved me.
I need to go find out where I got the
Bullets
ammo for all
always
these
happens at
guns.
the worst possible time.
Rift E9.
That was a bad gun, wasn't it?
I don't really remember, but I need to go find out where
Yeah, I don't
got
really care
this.
for perks right now. I need.
I
a
gotta
pack.
figure out where I got this RK5 from because I have no ammo in either
Beginning
my
area.
Alpha.
Beginning area.
Yeah, I have no ammo on my RK5. So, I mean Alpha.
Gimme.
I'm gonna get dead shot if I have enough. I don't. Will always walk onto the head for me.
Hey yo! Oh, there's a perk by me.
What'd you get? What are you shooting? The rift?
No, the flux collider.
Oh.
The Elcar pack. No, the perk.
Oh, it didn't pick you up? Shit. I don't know why they're trying to attack me. I'm in zombie blood.
Soon.
And I have to get you up now because I have no ammo. Have fun going after him, guys.
That's something I was gonna ask. Do they ever plan on No, because it's only in the Blizzard
Feel
launcher.
the Russian
I was gonna
fever
ask if they
building
planned on
up in
releasing or allowing custom maps on
I mean, they
Black
could.
Ops or Cold War.
I mean, they could always just do it the same way that they did it on this map, on this game.
Mm-hmm.
Or, I mean, back to World at War, you had its own installer. So, I mean, it's not something
Oh.
impossible. It's just highly improbable.
Hmm.
I should be using the L-car with unlimited ammo.
Hand-in-hand combat may soon be
Wait,
my
isn't this
only
map
option.
like Pistol Pete map and then just a regular map too?
No, it's literally just it's supposed to be pistols only. Still some sections we didn't open, but we definitely need to finish filling those boxes.
I got a nuke, let me know if you need it.
No, 'cause I
Point
got
night, let's go.
Good thing, because I'm out of ammo on my RK5 too. We're just gonna have to start packing. I mean, like, I know I saw a 1911 over there somewhere. I don't remember where the L card's at, do you?
Over here by me. It's 40. I might as well just get the rift. Is it good? Did you get it?
I didn't get it.
Desperate times.
I'm
No,
still
let's
on
get
the
it.
L card and the 5, RK5.
Alright, let's see if the L rift is, or the rift.
There's a Mauser.
Oh yeah, it's good. The rift 9 is good. I don't know what I was saying. No cap.
There's 2 more things over here.
Come. You good. Bye beige. Uh-oh. Oh, shh.
I have 10 perks, just so you know.
Yeah, I have 2. The Rift 9 is a 1 burst.
Alright,
RIP.
now I just got, Widow's on.
There's a door over here for 3,000.
I'm gonna check this area by
The hounds of hell.
the stamina up and dead shot and see if there's any more. Nope, this area is clear. I'm gonna go check the other side. We gotta just start finishing all these things because it's not yet late in the game.
Well, I got one that's almost finished. I mean, it's finished.
Is there anything else down by Jug? Is Jug area clear? It looks clear to me. Yeah.
You should learn obedience.
Then you're clearing. Did you clear down here by the sombrero or no?
No. I mean, there's a few more over there, but
Well, this one here is clear. And I think this one over here is all clear, actually.
well then, huh? Must have did it.
So I know we have the other side over there to do.
And over here. I think.
Yeah,
Well,
you
we've
look
still
for
got
one in
another
there.
door.
You look for one in there. And I'll look this way. Where's the other door?
I think I did all the ones over here, or I still got the pack. Yeah, I still got a pack one, and then we still got another door though. Is that one that you're right next to?
Alright, I'm down here by the Vulture's Aid, I think this is. Yeah, Vulture's Aid.
By
I
the way,
got
get the Rift 9. It's so
Good enough.
good. I even packed it, and it gives you so much ammo. I ain't kidding.
shit.
I thought sneaky German was Hellpig's favorite. Your numbers mean nothing. Nikolai is like bear. Bear with gun.
Commentary You have 10k, bro.
At least transaction was swift.
Yeah, I know.
Until I stop, I'm unstoppable.
You have 14k now. What? I guess I'll open the door then. You can do whatever you want.
What do you mean?
I
Oh,
will
viable
demonstrate
ending, I see it.
superior
I see it.
Russian strength.
How much is it?
We have to get all the souls first.
Russian does not go down without fight.
But cherries over here.
Yeah, and this pack down here, right? I'm gonna pack the RK5, I think, and see what it's like.
Where do you see skateboards?
I find myself thinking
Ah,
of the things I've lost. The pain makes me stop.
Bro. Doing.
I think it's down by, it's like right on the other side of that wall you're on. So it's in the middle area on the same side that you're on currently. Down here.
Yeah, well, I got the rest of the zombies here.
I have a bunch on me too, or I did. So you might want to just
Yeah,
come
no,
down
I
here.
stole them off all of them from you.
I'd just go down here to be honest. Oh, this one actually is done. This one now.
Russian does not go down without fight.
And we only got one more. No, don't kill him.
Why not?
We still got souls to fill, man. What are you doing?
Yeah, we gotta go find it.
Yeah, I know where they are. Oh my god. What are you doing?
Dino baby raging out here.
Yep. Baby rage.
That's a saying the kids say, right?
That's not even close.
Oh.
Bro, you're 19. Come on.
I know, but I apparently don't act it.
Right when they get close for this town.
You act like you're 30.
Western Exchange.
I'm not 30.
No, you act like it with the minimum amount of stuff that you have.
Hmm.
Let's go!
It's 39,600.
I got it. Nah, I'll let you get it. You're closer.
I'm gonna head over back to where I was sitting, so I can keep using this L car with the amount of, and just keep buying ammo for it. So it's only 380 for non-pack ammo. So I'll just get like a train up and start killing.
You monsters underestimate angry Russians. I will deal with you all in time. Hey, am I on my own here?
Let's go. Train for you.
Nikolai will fight like a bear if he hears click click.
Double points.
might of Mother Russia. I appear to be popular with the Hell Pigs. Nikolai knows not the taste of defeat. I appear to be popular with the Hell Pigs.
Guess what, Dino? Dino.
What?
Guess what?
What?
I'm level 23.
I don't know why.
Well, cause you're not on here, so you're. I'm not sure what to do.
The animals approach.
That's what I'm also doing. I just got to level 23 doing that.
Desperate times, desperate measures.
Like, besides quests. I mean, you're already higher than me in quests. It doesn't. So,
You cut out the entire conversation. I did not hear what you said.
I mean, like, you're ahead of me with with level, skills, and quests. You might as well just do your own thing now, and I'll do my own thing.
Well, you just gotta get up to me. I'm not. It's not like I'm leveling up that fast.
Pretty much are, because you're doing dungeons and stuff, I thought.
I only did one, and that was only because it was a quest.
Yeah, see? You're ahead.
Only slightly. You're level what? 15?
Yeah. No, 16. Almost 17.
See, you're only a few levels away.
Yeah, but I'm like, like 20 quests behind you.
Oh, have you not gotten your fucking staff yet?
No, I asked you for help, and then I went to go eat, and I came back, and and then
Well-
just ready to record.
Oh, well, that's not my fault. Don't act it as if it was. I didn't do anything.
What is plan B if I empty my weapon?
So.
Anyways, this song's kind of boring, not gonna lie.
That was also why I told you. Is because it seems that you guys are being real quiet.
Yeah, I'm bored on my phone, man. This map is so simple.
Wait.
Running out of bullets always happens at the worst possible time.
I mean, I could do hatchet. Disney, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, just making sure. I wasn't sure.
Disney, start shooting on my side. I got like all these zombies on me. Doing it.
Leaving you behind so he can survive.
No, I'm trying to get off of this map as quick as possible, man. Cause there's no bosses. It's just straight zombies, pistols only. You know, not that fun.
Pistols only. That sounds awesome.
No, it's not. It's a huge map.
As long as like there's good pistols. Can you get like the good pistols?
No, all of them are terrible.
Wow.
Disney, 4 more thousand, man. Come on.
You
This
just
video
making
is-
Disney do all the work?
Well, he has the highest points.
Oh, so you're just sitting there making him do all the work.
Feel the Russian
Well,
fist
no, I'm
of
feeding him
fury,
zombies.
LP.
What do you mean? Bro, the Pope was on me. Run. Run!
A burning hell pig is a good hell
Bum bum
pig.
bum 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum.
Oh, I think that's copyrighted. Shit!
I think you're fine.
Shit! We can't have a copyrighted strike immediately, man.
A copyrighted strike? I don't think that's how
Copyright
that
strike.
works.
No, whenever you have a copyrighted song, you get a copyright strike.
What is plan B if I only have weapon?
Destiny, you're so
Ooh.
close, yet so far.
Victory cannot be achieved without sacrifice.
I mean, I'll buy that for 275 gold. I don't care, bro. That fucking axe is
That's a lot of
amazing.
gold. That's not worth.
Dude, I have almost 3,000 gold.
Yeah. And Shroud has fucking 30,000 and he's throwing a fit over something that's 100 gold.
Well, I make 100 gold like that. It's nothing.
If you could do that,
Once again, I do not understand. I just bought the axe, because why not?
I thought sneaking
Start buying me shit, man. What are you doing?
I mean, you're not on the game to fucking
I
buy
want it. I want it. Right, I want it. I'll hold him back. Just end it. I'm holding him back. End it. Oh. End it.